Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, macOS up to date and the Notes app ready. Next, sign into Chatgpt in a browser or copy your API key into a secure credential store. Once done, enable Notes automation, open Shortcuts or Automator, create a new action, and allow permissions for notes and web requests. Make sure to test a simple prompt to confirm connectivity. You'll now have the building blocks to send content between Chatgpt and Apple, Notes securely and reliably. You construct the core workflow. In Shortcuts, add a step that reads the selected note or whole note, then call the Chatgpt API or open a web prompt with the text. Once Chatgpt returns a reply, parse the JSON or plain text and format it. Clean markup, add headings, and preserve bullet structure. After formatting, insert or append the response back into the original note. Make sure to save your shortcut and assign a trigger so you can run it instantly from Notes. You finalize by testing the entire flow with a real note. Select text, run the shortcut, review Chatgpt's output, and accept or edit the inserted content. Once satisfied, optimize prompts for brevity and enable keychain storage for API keys to prevent leaks. If something goes wrong, first check Shortcuts and Notes permissions, then inspect API responses and rate limit or authentication errors in logs. If needed, add retry logic or simplify the prompt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.